Let me put a light on incidents on how Gurudev brought harmony. He observed that there was a rift among devotees of Bangalore. To unite them, he started to practice hunger strike. The graceful devotees within no time decided and got united, outcome of which is the Ganesh Bagh Sthanak of Bangalore. He truly followed the path shown by Lord Mahavir. Most of his time spent in doing Swadhyay. Gurudev wrote 45 agams with his own hands, which made his sainthood more righteous. Gurudev was very fond of cows. Many cow sheds have been built with the inspiration of Gurudev in Koppal, Jalna, Aurangabad, Chausala and many more places. In the field of education also, with the inspiration of Gurudev, Jain school has been established in Chinchwad and a blind school has been established in Jalna. Under the guidance of Gurudev, many people who were in trouble of devil spirit got healed through penance. It was the only power of his steadfast which worked as medicine in healing the victims. Gurudev is also given the title of Khaddardhari. Gurudev was a strong preacher of Khadi. No one could go to see Gurudev without wearing Khadi. He propagated and travelled in Karnataka a lot. Hence, he was decorated with the title of Shri Karnatak Gajikeshari. He was the one who never led life for himself but always led for others. It has been 62 years since he left his mortal body, but his influence and his miracles are still visible today. Even today, if someone remembers his name with devotion, follows the path shown by him, like does the penance and serves a cow, then all the troubles and pains go away and he gets what he desires. On every Amavasya, thousands of people go to Samadhi Sthal of Gurudev, which is Guru Ganesh Tapodham in Jalna, Maharashtra, with reverence to express their devotion and seek his blessings. It is proudful moment that we all are the legacy of his kingdom. I request the heavenly body, Pujya Gurudev, to shower his blessings upon each and every one.